Hey guys, I'm from Peso Smart Page here and welcome to another video. Today, we're going to discuss my top 5 tools for stock investing. So let's get right into it. So yeah, the top 5 tools for stock investing. This is particularly for PSE, the Philippine Stock Exchange. So yeah, these are the tools that I use to help me guide me on which investment I should take, which company I should buy. So yeah, this is just my basic guideline on how I invest. So of course, BPI Trade, that is the first and foremost tool that I use because that is my broker. And then the second one is Pesobility. It's a website. I'm not sure who created it, but yeah, it's very helpful. The stock prices are always updated there, and what I like about it is that the previous year's dividend yield is right there, and you can sort it out from the biggest one to the smallest one. So that really helped me a lot. And of course, INVESTOPEDIA. When I was first interested and when I got into investing, I read about a lot of principles from Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham from INVESTOPEDIA. Read about dividend investing, value investing, and a lot of strategies that I can apply on my investing habits. So yeah, INVESTOPEDIA is very helpful. And then of course, PSE. That is the website of the Philippine Stock Exchange. So if you need to look up a particular company there, it's very easy. Just need to type out the code. There's a guide there. You can just Control F, find, or Command F if you're a Mac user, to find the stock that you're looking for. And of course, I created a spreadsheet. It's always gonna be at the description down below. It's entitled PSE Dividend Yield because I'm a dividend investor, and if you guys are interested to see which companies gives out the biggest dividend per year, so it's all there. I update it once a week so that it's always updated, but I can't really do it every day because that is a lot of work, because a lot of companies give out dividends. And of course, let's dive deep into BPI Trade. So yeah, BPI Trade is a fully integrated online trading platform of BPI Securities, the stock brokerage arm of the Bank of the Philippine Islands. So yeah, it's BPI. It enables clients to post online orders to the Philippine Stock Exchange, offers real-time stock market quotes, and comprehensive research. So this is like the basic user interface of BPI Trade on your desktop or laptop. So yeah, as you can see here, you have the main page. You can see there the market index, the recently traded what do you call this, stocks, and then like the announcements, which companies are gonna give out their dividends, when will it go through your account, if there's a system maintenance. And then of course you have your account balances, your market value, your unrealized day profit or loss, and then your buying power. And then as you can see here, you have the account info. If you click on that, you're gonna see of course your account info, your subscriptions. That is basically when there's an IPO, you're gonna subscribe to that. It's gonna be there, and FAQs, frequently asked questions, and then their contact details. And then here we are on my favorite part. If you click on research and then go to the company data, so I inputted here at SMC, that's San Miguel Corporation. You can see here the company profile. So basically their incorporation date, when is their annual meeting, their bankers, their transfer agent, And then like the valuation, it's like a 5-year data, running data, from when they give their dividends, and then their stock prices from 5 years before, what their profits are. It's basically like a basic of financial statement. And then of course you have the financials there, and then dividend history. That's where you can see when they didn't give out a dividend on a specific year, and company news. And then it's BPI trade again. So here, if you click on quotes, and of course input again your the stock code of the company that you want to look into, you're gonna see here the trading activity for that particular stock. So here it's again SMC, Sun Miguel Corporation. You can see here the percentage of change of the price on that particular trading day. So we have the previously traded price, the opening price, the highest price of the day, the lowest price of the day, the volume, and then the value, and so on and so forth. So yeah, the 52-week high, 1-year high, and then 1-year low. So yeah, basically all of the numbers, all of the data that you need, all of the info that you need is can be seen here. You just need to input the correct stock code, of course, so that you can look up the company that you want to look into. Then this is another one of my favorite tool from BPI trade. If you click on analytics and then financial and then dividend yield, yeah, as I've said earlier, I'm a dividend investor, and these companies give out dividends, and you can see the yield here. And of course you can also play around all the tools here. There's a par and book value, EPS and PER, and then debt to equity ratio. And you can also look up the price, the shares, the technical data, that if you want to look into that, then yeah, it's all in there. And then let's move on to Pesobility. So basically this is the UI of Pesobility's website. This particular one, it's showing all of the stocks that is enlisted on PSE and the Philippine Stock Exchange. And as you can see, we have the symbol, the name of the company, the current price, and then the percentage of the change on that particular trading day, and then the previous close from the previous day, or like the Friday if you're looking it up on a Monday, and then a 52-week high, basically 1-year high of the price of the stock, and then 52-week low, so that is a 1-year low. And then you have the 2018 cash dividend. That's where I always look at. So if you click that percentage sign there, if you're on the website, you can sort out the lowest and the highest dividend yield. So yeah, it's very easy to look up the ones that you want to invest into. And then Investopedia. Investopedia is an American website based in New York City that focuses on investing and finance education, along with reviews, ratings, and comparisons of various financial products such as brokerage accounts. And yeah, you can read here about a lot of principles, including value stocks, value investing definition, and all that stuff here. So yeah, it's definitely very helpful, and you need to check this out if you're looking into investing in the stock market, or like basically investing in general. So whatever like vehicle you want to invest in, and whatever investment vehicle that you want to look into to study, it's up to you. And yeah, Investopedia is right there on the internet and readily available to help you out. And then here we are at the PSE, Philippine Stock Exchange Incorporated website. It's not particularly like the most user-friendly website, but if you kind of play around all of the menus and tabs, you're gonna get your way into it. But yeah, it's not very user friendly at the first time, and it's kind of overwhelming when you look at it at the first time, because there are a lot of text and there's a lot going on in just one page. So yeah, but it's really helpful because yeah, I mean, all the data is in there and it's updated in real time, so definitely very helpful. Then of course, this the one that I made. It's a basic spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet, for the PSC dividend yield. So as you can see here, these are the stock names. It's just a code. I didn't really want to put in the whole, what you call this, company name of these stocks. So yeah, I've listed here the last price that they were traded, and then the dividend that they've given for 1 year, and then the yield. So yeah, the percentage. So SPC here was the biggest giver of dividend for 2019, and then yeah, we have LRP, Shell, GMA, PLC, PHN, DMC, PNX, it's Phoenix, SMC, San Miguel, and then CEB. The ones that are in italic and bold, they are preferred shares. So yeah, that's basically it. And of course, that is gonna be the video, guys, and let's end it with a quote from Warren Buffett, one of not really one of my favorite, but my favorite investor. He said that the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So yeah, investing in the stock market is for the long haul. It's for the long run. It's not gonna make you a quick buck. So if you're interested in investing in the stock market, you need to be patient, and yeah, you need to take advantage of the compounding interest, and it's gonna pay you, you know, the dividends later in your life. And of course, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. I upload a new one every Tuesday and Thursday. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I hope that you guys learned something. I'll see you guys in the next one. Be Peso smart.